Welcome to the front of me iPhone 14 Pro, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So just to customize the always on display option, we should first unlock our smartphone. For example, I'll unlock it with the Face ID. After that, just hold for a while your device screen and then click here to customize. We can here tap, for example, to the clock. We can change the font here, the color. We can set here the just different colors. Also we can use the grid spectrum or sliders here to change it. So for example, let's use the white one. We can also here change the widget, this up widget. Here we have the date on the day of the week. We can switch here the calendar widget. We can also add here the switch it to the weather, to another calendar, to the fitness, application, the stock. So you can use here, for example, let's just stay with the Friday, with the date and day. Also we can add here more just widgets like the battery status. For example, let's use this one. We can also add here your reminders on just the weather. Also here we can use here these widgets. This is the same widgets like here in the applications. So for example, let's use the clock. And now we can also change the colors of the background of the always on display. For example, let's use this one. Just click here to done, set as wallpaper pair. Okay, now let's just lock the device and we can see that we just successfully customized the always on display feature. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.